the diversity tool. Changing out this front porch lighting took a very short time. Just a matter of locating the screws that are holding this to the brackets or the braces against the wall. In this case, a brick wall. On this lighting, there were two very tiny little head bolts or head screws that were on this lighting. I went to approach this lighting, and a lot of the times you can disassemble this from the bottom where it screws in piece by piece. You get the top piece in, you put the globe in place, you screw a piece under the globe, there's another piece that screws under that. I proceeded to do this, and it would not come loose. So my next step was to disassemble the whole globe in one piece. To do that, I had to take out the two head nuts that were holding this against the wall, pull it forward, hold the lamp in one hand, and disassemble the white wire, the black wire, the ground wire, and pull it to me. That's how I was able to get these off really fast, no drama, and got them out of the way. And I had to remove the old brackets, install the new brackets, which were in two pieces, get them mounted in place, take the new lighting, install it. I made a mistake and put it upside down for some reason. I don't know why I put it upside down. It just seemed like it fit that way. Some people like it that way. I'm sorry, I put it right side up from what I saw. And when the owner came outside, I rang the doorbell, let her know I was done. It took maybe 35 minutes to do this. I think I could have done it in 30 if I didn't turn it upside down and had to switch it over. She came out and said, "It looks nice, so where's the top to it?" I said, there isn't a top to this. She said, "Well, it looks weird." So she looked at the box. She said, "Well, this is how it's supposed to be." And I thought, that's my fault. So I flipped it over. All you had to do was take the screws out this time, just the two screws, and flip it, get the wiring packed back behind the cover plate, and re-screw it, and it was done. The diversity tool, installing this porch lighting, straightforward process. 1, 2, 3. Make sure the power was off at the breaker, and you can proceed. Something you can do yourself. DIY front porch lighting project, done in no time. She was happy. It looked good. I was paid, and I went home. The rest of the two. Thanks for watching. Installing the front porch lighting. We have the bracket on the back here, and these two mounting screws on the front. One there, one here. Let's take those off. Make sure you don't misplace them. here. And the bracket slides out. And the bracket slides out here. Some 2 pieces. We'll take and separate them. Don't lose those small screws. And 2 pieces, 2 small screws.